So you see a function of the form, this one, f of x by gx, and where these f of x and gx are the polynomial function, as well as here you see gx is not equal to 0, is called rational function. That means this type of function, guys, suppose f of x by gx, yes, and here this gx must not equal to 0, क्योंकि gx 0 होने से तो ऐसा करके हम लोग क्या नहीं कर सकते, डिवीजन और ऐसा करके फैक्टर नहीं बना सकते हैं. So this type of function is called, guys, here rational function. Yes, and you see ये जो rational function होगा ना, suppose we consider this function is rx. Yes, this is rx. Then the domain of this rx will give, yes, the domain of this rx will give all the possible values of x where the gx is not equal to 0. Yes, the domain of this domain of this function is nothing, the set of all the possible values of x except at which the value of gx is 0. That means the domain of any rational function does not include all those points whose gx is equal to 0. yes, जहाँ में gx का वैल्यू 0 होता है वो पॉइंट को डोमेन में वो इंक्लूड नहीं करता है. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सब here you see here we consider f of x is equal to 1 by x minus 2, this function. Yes, f of x equal to 1 by x minus 2. So here you see this is a rational function. Why? You see एक ऊपर में एक function है, polynomial है, नीचे भी है. So this is a rational function. But here you see इसका domain क्या होगा? Domain will be all those possible values of x except at which this one is 0. देखो, you can put here all the real values of x here, all the real values we can put except here x is equal to 2, because if we put here x is equal to 2 then this will be 0. That means the domain will be r minus of 2. yes, ये 2 को exclude करके real number में जितना points रहेगा all are will be in domain. Okay, so hope this video is helpful for you. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye bye.